Does drinking apple cider vinegar actually make you lose body fat? Let's talk about it. Weight loss over coffee, ladies and gents. I do drink apple cider vinegar every day. I try to at least remember to do it. There have been shown to be so many different benefits of drinking the apple cider vinegar. My biggest thing is I always talk about how I feel, what I've done for myself, and how it's benefited me. What is apple cider vinegar, though? It's actually crushed up apples, and then they ferment it. They crush up these apples, and then they'll add they'll add some different types of ingredients to it. Then it creates an alcohol, and then they actually will process it again. And that's where you get the vinegar from, to make it super acidic. Well, what I've benefited the most from drinking apple cider vinegar is absolutely the gut health. More often, more times a day, but good times a day. Not going throughout the day is not good. If you guys all know what I'm talking about by going, that's what I'm talking about. Like, some of you ladies won't even go like once a week. I'm going 5 times a day, and a solid 5 times a day. But that is the one thing that I benefit the most from, is the gut health, and I just feel so much better. But there are different things and different benefits that people talk about with doing the apple cider vinegar. The gut health, acidic, the acid in it will actually kill the bad bacteria in the gut. So when you have all the good bacteria in the gut, better digestion, and what's even crazier, they're talking more and more about bad gut health, and correlating it to depression. That's crazy to me. And it just makes so much more sense. Like, why here in America, everybody's on all these antidepressants, all these different hormone problems, and they're correlating the depression side of it and mental health with gut health. It goes gut and mind. Like, it's pretty cool how they're correlating that or whatnot. It makes sense because here in America, our gut health's garbage of what all of us are eating out of a box, and not the good box we should be eating out of. But it's super interesting to me with that. But that's one of the good benefits of drinking the apple cider vinegar, and it's with the mother in it. And the mother is what the bacteria is in the apple cider vinegar. So whenever you guys are grabbing your apple cider vinegar, just make sure it says with mother. I know there are pills out there and stuff like that. I personally don't take the pills. I do it straight. I do it raw. Because once you start messing with the pills, I don't really know what is going to be in it. I'd rather just drink it straight from the bottle. People will dilute it. People will add honey. You can add ginger, paprika. I know this type of apple cider vinegar, I know that the company will make different types. They got ginger, they got cinnamon, they got lemon. There's a whole bunch of different types of them, but I like to just drink it straight from the bottle. It can erode enamel. It can be bad for esophagus and stuff like that, so that's why I definitely chase it down with water. But I don't want to sit there and sip on vinegar because it is not good, it is not pleasant, and I do not enjoy it as I drink this coffee. Another one, they're talking about heart health with apple cider vinegar. Why are they correlating it with it? Because of LDL, the bad cholesterol. They talk about how it can help. It is possible that it could help with the LDL, the bad cholesterol, helping with the good cholesterol, and helping with total cholesterol. That one's very interesting to me too. How there's just so many benefits to it, and the acidic part killing bacteria. They use it for killing fungus in the nails. There have been shown to help with skin health, with eczema and stuff like that. I've done it with sunburns. If you have a super bad sunburn, I will literally pour, I think they talk about a couple cups of apple cider vinegar, diluting it in your bath and soaking in it. It'll take the burn and the sting away from the sunburn. I literally just pour an entire bottle in it because I really want to make sure it works, because right now we are we're working on that tan. We're getting ready for Belize. Got back from Hawaii and laid out yesterday. I was in the pool probably for like 3 hours yesterday. But remember, don't forget the sunscreen, ladies and gents, and it does age you. That's why people think I'm like 80 years old when I'm not even 40 yet. But That's one thing I have used the apple cider vinegar for too, and it works for that. People talk about it making your feet not smell anymore. I don't believe that because my feet absolutely are horrendous. But when you have good gut health, good bacteria in the gut, digestive enzymes, probiotic. So the mother also will be shown to be a probiotic as well. So when you have good gut health, not only for the mind, but your body's actually going to absorb that nutrients. Your body is going to be functioning the way that it should. Your gut is so important. I would probably say it's like, I'm not going to say it's the most important because your heart is, but your gut is so important because that's what's going to go in and actually absorb the nutrients. You eat, it gets broken down in the acid in the stomach. Your stomach absorbs different nutrients than just your digestion system. Your digestion system will absorb majority of the nutrients that your body needs and breaking it all down. And as it's breaking it down, going through the digestive tract, your body is breaking down that nutrients and absorbing it. So that's why people who have celiac disease, it's so bad when they take in the gluten because their digestion just shuts down and they're not absorbing any nutrients. So the gut health, the correlation with the gut health and the apple cider vinegar, that is why I take the apple cider vinegar. I try to do it every single day. And there's been other studies showing that it can actually help keep blood sugars down after a meal. And I hate saying that. I almost didn't even want to talk about that because in people's heads, that's why all these stupid network marketing companies that are like, oh, this lowers blood sugars. Eat this before a meal. It's just a Band-Aid. Why would you eat something that's going to make your blood sugars go through the roof, make you crave more carbs and sugars, make you bloated, make your body not function the way that it should? But hey, we're going to throw this Band-Aid on it. We're going to throw this product on it. It's going to help bring your blood sugars back down. Instead, just eat real food, hit your calorie goal for weight loss. If you don't know what your calorie goal for weight loss is, go use the free calorie calculator. It is on the website, fullertonnutrition.com. But that's what kills me. You have heartburn? You have indigestion? Sweet. Go take this medication while you eat all the garbage food. So that's the one thing I don't like talking about, but people have talked about doing apple cider vinegar after a meal, and it does bring the blood sugars back down quicker than if you didn't drink it. But instead of having it as a Band-Aid, don't eat the garbage. You don't have to worry about your blood sugars going through the roof anymore. Another awesome benefit, and I had it yesterday, was heartburn. Acid reflux. Fight acid with acid? Crazy. Mind-blowing. But I did it yesterday because Saturday night, I went to play poker, and it was like 9:30. I went to a buddy's house, and I was like, I'm not going to get fast food. It was after our softball game, so what did I do? I went and got meat and cheese, and I probably had the heartburn from the pepper jack cheese because it was delicious. Oh, my gosh. And then the next morning, so yesterday morning, had the apple cider vinegar, and then it got diminished. So that's one other benefit that I've noticed for myself with it. People will talk about it with weight loss, but look, it's not going to make you lose body fat. You can't just drink something and miraculously lose body fat. You take in the right amount of calories, your body's functioning the way that it should, you have good gut health, everything is all correlated. It's not going to hurt you drinking it, besides if you drink it straight with enamel and esophagus and stuff like that. Always talk to your doc, but they have actually, I could probably pull it up here in a second. There are different medications, actually. It's funny, it actually said you don't want to take it with insulin. I was reading on here, and I wonder why, because it can help with keeping the blood sugars leveled or whatnot. But the benefits of it, I've noticed it. I enjoy drinking it. I don't enjoy drinking it, but I enjoy the benefits of drinking it. It's just like working out. I don't enjoy working out, but I enjoy the benefits from working out. So it's funny, we all have to do things that we don't like to do to have the results that we want. But apple cider vinegar, doesn't make you lose body fat? No. But can it help benefit your body and have your body thrive? It can definitely help aid in those different aspects of health and all of that fun stuff. So you guys can go to your local grocery stores, pick up the apple cider vinegar. You can dilute it, you can do different things. People are using it for salad dressings as well. But if you guys are new, Welcome. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember, share this out. Let your friends, family, coworkers, let everybody know where they can go, because I try and make this weight loss thing as simple as possible. I give you guys my entire step-by-step plan for free. So if you guys are struggling with weight loss, I do one-on-one calls every single night. So make sure you guys give it a ring when I am live, so I can make it as simple as possible so you guys aren't struggling anymore losing that fat off the body, because it truly is simple. You just need a game plan, and the game plan is super simple. Hit your calorie goal. If you don't know what your calorie goal is, go use the free calorie calculator on the website, ladies and gents. But on that note, have an amazing freaking day and another episode of Weight Loss Over Coffee.